Use your paddle as a book guard, yeah. I was gonna say, use your paddle as a guard for the bushes. Go like that. Yeah. Oh shit, 180. Oh shit. Holy fuck, it didn't even fill? How the hell? Normally they're sunk by then. Oh, and he fell too, damn it. I didn't even see. Turn it over! Turn it over before it sinks. Oh shit, babe! Babe, be careful. There you go. Paddle right. Nice, babe. Woo! Good stall. Yeah, boy. We can get it. Oh shit, we're sank though. Yeah, flip is in time, but we can get it. I mean, I wasn't watching him. What? You didn't know what to do at all? He just took such a different line. I was like, what are you doing?
I didn't need to. I did a fucking 180.
I saw Evan. He flipped right when he did.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I was watching Evan still recover. I didn't even see you flip.
I took a whole new fucking route.
Oh shit, that was a fucking great stall, babe, when I got it.